Alright, let's bounce. This is update video for the last trading video. They're probably posted together, but not combined. So, this is the trade. Remember? 382 we got in on a short. We actually got in over here. So we're getting in and out pretty much. We're scalping. We're taking a little bit of profits. Just my strategy, what it is. Should be your strategy as well. It's one thing to say something, though. It's another to do. Okay. It's definitely another thing to do, right? I tried to buy that 75 right here. 475. But I missed it by 6 cents. So the question is, if you were trading this right now, how would you trade this? You're in a short, it's profitable right now. Would you take profits? Would you wait for a bigger retracement upwards? Do you think that there's going to be a bigger retracement upwards? And let me answer those questions. No. I don't think so. So this is tiny profit. Okay. But if we break it down to a 3-minute time frame, it's all about the market maker strategies, okay? This is a lot of volume right here, guys. Volume is going downwards. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Same playlist that we've got. Music for trading. Excuse me, I just ate their supper. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But for some reason, I don't know if 5 is gonna bounce right here. Double bottom on a 5 or 5 all the way down here. Usually they don't play like that, because if this is the 5th wave, this is the 4th. Usually has support on the 4th wave, and it did. But now it's no longer the 4th, is it? So the retracement, boom, 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 hit the 61.8 for our notes. The tiny little bear flag, and also undercut the 0.5 by a slight tad. Okay. So we were at a loss of 0.3% for a very, very short time. It went up to the moving average of the white one on the 3-minute time frame. Excuse me. Let's take a look at the daily. How did the daily close? Probably bullish as everybody. So what do you think is going to happen here? Well, if I take a look at the charts here, it's all about timing, eh? I like to have my volume profile. So go here. No indicators. La da 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 da. Da da da. I really do like these jams. They're very good. So here's the volume area, right? So like right here. And if I zoom out for the whole picture, I'm thinking that, let me raise this up here. Whoa, there's lightning outside. You guys see that? So, and the longer term scale, the question is this 5 waves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also, there's something I can add here is this box for Elliott wave theory. Basically, that tells you Oh wow. So like let's just say that this is the top, okay? And maybe it makes another wave for a double top or something. Here, let's zoom in. Let me actually do it correctly, because no screwing around. I'll use this time frame here. I'll use the magnet tool, and I'll go like this for the height. This thing can screw off. Okay. So that's the right box, I do believe. And then you basically say that, okay, wave 1 equals wave 5 most of the time. So if we zoom in here, there's some smart algos out there, guys. Smart algos. Pushing up the prices up until it hits. So here's the box, the top of the box. Did it get the wick? No, it didn't get the wick. But I mean, come on, like you're cherry picking, right? So now the question that you have to ask yourself is, do you want to buy it here on this moving average? Do you want to buy it here on this moving average? Hey, this is my bearish chart. I want this to be my bull setup. Which is going to look even better on that EMA, but it would match up better. Bull market cycle, yeah, this one. The volume profile is going to disappear, all good. So yeah, this is more like it right here. Whoa, excuse me. So here's the daily. That's how the daily looks. 4 hours. I like the 8 hour. 8 hours, one of my favorite time frames. Gets me excited. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's a rejection candle if I've ever seen one. Okay, I'm really thinking that it's going to go downwards here, so let me sell. I'll try to get some limits and see if we can get a pullback, but sometimes pullbacks never come. Here's another strategy on the RSI. So whenever it starts to dip below 70, I've noticed that a lot of sellers start selling at like when it starts to dip below 70. So there you go, lower low. I think 7778. That's the 8 hour chart, guys. Okay, let's go back to the 5 minute. Try and see if we can get a. The question is it going to do this? Boom, boom, boom. It could. So maybe I'll buy half. Right? But I don't think so. I don't think it's going to do that. So I am in 132. Maybe this is 1, 2, 3. I'm still not sure, because if it breaks this right here, it's gonna go down like 5%, I think. But if it holds and the market makers do their job, it's hard. It's hard to figure that out. I like to look at the 1 minute chart. So 1, 3.2 divided by, I like to just get out, so 400. Doesn't really tell me. Yeah, that's about right. 400. Okay. See, we're about to get some support right here. Very small support, but it's there. It's there. Okay, so if we count this up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an A. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Ooh, it's hard to tell. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is trying to be the 5 right here. We'll see. We'll see, baby. Ooh, this chart failed. This could be your best buy right here. 58, 59. But you got to have a strategy on point, man. Ready. So let's go back to my strategy. Excuse me. I mean, okay, so let's just say that that the 5 waves are done. The whole thing's done. Okay. Okay. Reasonable retracement, 3A2, 61.8. B wave, even a 2 wave would be right here, which is, and I'm not even being like, okay, that's 42%. One thing that I'd be watching though is the moving average. Okay, that's one thing I'd be actually watching. Like Bitcoin can start spiking, you know. Not really sure. So the question is, how are you going to trade? What's the money management approach you're going to take? Are you going to start selling now? Are you going to take the extra risk and you're going to think that it's going to break this bottom, 1% play? Well, you kind of missed your opportunity for the better sell. But if you want to try to drag the prices down, then that's an alright strategy. This is the time frame that you would use. Basically, you would go like this. Let's say that you pick the white one, right? So 8,226, just in case. Sometimes, guys, sometimes the buyers are gonna retest. I get filled, and literally the market tanks like 3%. So it's really awesome. Did I just sell it? No. But you might want to buy some to see if it's a 5 wave on the small tiny time frames. Bitcoin at 635, keep that in mind. Huge volume, low pullback, huge volume, probably. So guys, we're in the money, right? This was before. And I'll say my mistake here. That was on my account. So pretty much I grew account from 180 to there's no way that's still the same balance. Okay. Because it got rebooted, I think. There's no way. How is that possible? Okay. So I didn't do a mistake. So I grew my account from 180 to 300 pretty easily. But guys, I was trading, after that, I was trading on a market that was not tradable. So I'll show you what I was trading. Buy the bounces though, make sure you buy the bounces. Like for example, a bounce could be respectively Any moving average, you know, anything. Ooh. Looks like the bulls are trying to defend here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is an ABC. This is a 1, 2, 3. I think that's what they're going for. Sometimes it's hard to tell, man. There's a lot of support though on the small time frames coming down right now. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna buy it. But we're still below all the moving averages. I can use a stop loss instead. I'm not really convinced, to be honest. Ah, I see. I see. If they manage to get above the oh, see that? They're definitely putting up the prices here. 31, 32. Why? Because they're screwing with the order book. Look at the spoof. Huge spoof. 38. 53. I should have bought it there. Shit. There's my fees. I'm still a bear, but I mean, just like, just went up 0.5, you know? And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe it has another wave down. 1, 2. I'm going to cancel this. This would be where you would want to sell it right here. Okay, it's all good. It's all good. Yeah, sorry guys, I missed that buy. Whoopsies. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it passes this wave, then it's gonna start spiking here. $80.34. Yeah. Let's try this here. Why? Okay, they're not letting me right now. That's weird. That's not a good sign. Shit. Could very well be though. Done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your A, your B, your C. It's gonna retest the $5 area. Yep. Um, I'm not convinced that it's... I should probably get out of my position here. Just because I know what they play, the game that they play. $40, $60, $60, $20. This will leave me with... this will leave me with 10 links if I get filled on here, so $40. I think that's gonna do another wave down here. Yeah, this is where they fuck you. Sorry for swearing. Oh. Even though it's low leverage, like low volume, it's decent volume now. Fuck, man. I hate when it's a double bottom, but it's all good. Just missed out on a percent right here. Like, it doesn't really matter out of the long scheme of things, but it kind of does to me. And that's the worst thing that you do, is not take action. $65 on the RSI 1 minute chart. 52 here looks pretty decent. 5 minute chart looks good at 42. This looks kind of like a buy right here. And what I would do, I'd use a trend line approach. Let's take a look at my moving averages. So we could go up all the way to you know, another percent at 8435. We have an hour left in this candle. Try to imagine what you think is going to happen here, right? I still count 5 waves here. I mean 4 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Unless this is an ABC. But even if it is, We haven't even retested this line yet, the 5. That's usually a bullish sign. I mean, to be honest, I'm not too sure on this time frame. We usually always retrace. Okay. Kind of looks like a bull flag right now with the moving averages like that. Right? Still a bearish candle, but I can wait for a better opportunity. Yeah, guys, because usually what the pattern will do is like this. And go up here. Yeah, I really don't like how they do this. So I used to hate it, but now I can benefit from it, you know? Like, seriously, I could have bought it right here, fuck. 1%. And they just trail it upwards very, very slowly. About to get a crossover. Yeah, this is going to be a long opportunity. There's no, look at this, there's no sellers. Okay. Here's the wave right here, wave 1, 1, 2, 1. This should be a big resistance, but it's not. There's no support. That's why I like the order book. Unless there's a bot. They're buying 111, 111. I don't see 111 on the book right now. Next one is 121. Yeah, what a bad fucking trade. Yeah, you should have closed it. I hate when that happens. That's why sometimes I don't like scalping. Like, it should have broke the bottom, but it didn't. That's how bearish it is, because they know. Liquidated short on ADA. I just got an alert on my phone on ADA, liquidated short. We're at 160 right now. We're about to spike. It's guaranteed. I know we're still bearish though. Fuck, dude. Yeah, right there, risk to reward would have been amazing in your favor. Note to self. Okay, I'm just gonna repay it and get out of the game, clear my head, and yeah. There goes my fucking gains for earlier. Here's VeChain. What I could do though, I could look for another active issue and buy it for a hedge, because Binance lets you do that. So VeChain has been consolidated here at the bottom for a while. There's a lot of supply spots. I don't trust in the buy, to be honest. Bitcoin spiking right now. Just a very bad spot for me right now to make this decision. We're at 160. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do a stupid buy pretty soon. That's the thing. That's the thing that happens when you wait for too long. So we're at 159 right now. A, B, C, D. The E should be coming down. If it doesn't, then not sure. Okay, so volume coming in here. $102. Yo, Tezos was looking very good. I saw on Mitch Ray's stream. So this is a 1 minute chart Tezos. $49. So that's another retracement. You gotta know that. I don't really trust that though. That's how they trick a lot of traders. I've been there. Six more minutes on the hour. I'm gonna unplug the headphones now. One more hour for the 3 hours. Let's check my other charts here while we're waiting. While you see this is the pattern right here. Okay. It could be a good shorting opportunity next time if we break this low. In 1 hour though. Okay. 55. Isn't this a beautiful chart? I think it's pretty good. trying to cross over here, but they're kissing. I don't know if that's gonna work, dude. I just don't know if it's gonna work. Right. Bang! Big red candle, 2%. So far the bulls are still good though. This was your telltale sign right here. This candle and volume that it was almost done or done. So you go like this. And you said the 382. Stop loss above the 1.6. That's a good retracement sell. Now, if you were going long, would you buy this right now? Where would you put your stop loss? Probably right here. I'd probably put a stop loss right here. Okay. That's what I would do. So we're getting pushed down right here. Let's go to the 13. Oh, guys and girls, there's so much confluences. It's like this is a head and shoulders almost. I would sell some more. It's just how trading is, eh? Try to take as much emotion out as possible. That's why you have to have a plan of execution, that is. Right? There's different money management approaches. You can be a raider, but those are not the most successful. The most successful are the connoisseurs. Those are the guys that get out. They start skimming profit, whatever is comfortable to them. Usually the 13 MACD is usually a good one to use. Here we go, guys. There's about to get a dump, I think, in the market because we got rejected on this move. This moving average is going to be your blessed skies. Take a look at the uptrend. Maybe not. Maybe this one's better. Just wait for it to go down though. But right now, it's looking good. Right? I'd also add this. Just like that. I mean, it might bounce on this trend line once more and give us about an hour or two to break down. We can do it before. The 55 is right here, so if we actually measure that, it's about 36, about an hour or two on that one. So that would be perpendicular. That was good. Yo, you gotta find your top 5 coins that you're gonna trade and that you're going to be recording. You're gonna be tracking on Fibonacci extensions and all that good stuff, and find the ones that work the best, the most profitable. I think VeChain's pretty good. Link is amazing. Okay, with technical analysis, that just tells you that people are trading it, accumulating it, maybe because they actually want some. VeChain also is tradable. Ethereum, very, very nice. What else? Tether. Yeah. Look at Litecoin as if they're still trading Litecoin. It's like a bear coin, isn't it? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Bitcoin Cash, EOS. I'm looking for Chainlink. Chainlink's still 13. Yeah. Only 300,000, eh? But this means it could be changed, I think. What's the star mean? Not sure. Okay, so the hour just opened. There, it opened upwards. Don't get all mixed up on the exchange, man. That's where the emotions start setting in. Make your decisions on this, in my opinion, on TradingView or somewhere that you've made your plan where you actually know what you're doing. Okay, so my plan is pretty much to buy if it closes above here, let's say. That looks like 5. If this was 2, then it's not a very nice 2. So this whole book is based on psychology, right? And it's to take your profits because you want to take a win. Either there's some decent volume coming in the market, I guess because Bitcoin is looking decent. That looks like a bear flag. So why is it going up? That's a decent buy right there on Chainlink. It's 5K. How do you like the music? Can you hear it? This MACD is looking pretty bullish though. How's the 55? 55 crossed over. How's the 3 hours? Looks like it's bearish. How's the candles? Price action? Even this would be a better stop loss, I think. Okay. It's looking bearish, guys. I don't know what you want me to say. Bearish divergence, RSI, 55. 13, we're stumbling right over 30s. Not what I want to see. I want to see 20s or 30, right in this blue zone. So there you go. Rejection. So I'm going to go here. And I'm going to put a buy order on that EMA. So at 46322. By the way, another reason why I like Link is because of its very small, like easy to trade numbers. 4.6318, right? I'll buy like 80. Okay. That's where I would buy that. If I put a Fibonacci, maybe from here, where they're buying up the prices, guys, in the order book. But who knows? They're still trying, guys, to keep it up. Gotta get some water. We've never crossed on this, on all of 3 of them for a day, 2 days, and 5 hours. I've seen this pattern before. A, B, C. I've seen this pattern before. Some decent volume. Let's take a look at the candle. Okay. It's a triangle. What do you want me to say? Okay, let me keep it on the 13 minutes. I'll be back. You'll make sure it doesn't go down. Make sure it doesn't go up. Put on the order book better. We got some DCAs. Health is wealth. what's up. Okay, here's Bitcoin. Even Bitcoin looks like it's a reaction, right? A little bit. Like a retracement upwards. Could be wrong, but 3 hours downwards, hitting that 60. That's not where it should be hitting. I might have the wrong setup here on the hour. Yeah, we might get another wave upwards, just like that, another 13 hours. Because it got supported. See those, a lot of volume, tight candles. It depends if they win. 10 hours for this candle. So, it's just a 3-hour MACD is kind of stimulating me on the downside. I'm saying. Okay, let's open up the 3. See what Chainlink is doing. The main question you always want to ask yourself is this accumulation or a distribution? These guys here that supported this have not gotten out yet. Okay. So, it tells me they're aiming for higher prices. And, 13,000 for, to pass this right here, 55,000. Like, who's gonna spend 55,000 on that? Plus, with the bots, we don't know. Okay. This guy here, even distribution right here, and then it came downwards. About to get a crossover in the 5-minute, finally. It's at a different time frame though, so I'd change this also to like that. Okay, and keep flipping these ones. Let's keep it here. Okay, let's go. Let's go. And perfect if it gets right there. That'd be nice. Boom, boom, boom. Do we have? I'd like this fib. Okay, so pretty much what we're aiming for is a 1-to-1, a little bit undercut. So we'll see what we get here. We're still buying, still being a little sheep. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can start a stream.